Every day, countless people see what we do and feel the impact of our solutions. Yet nobody sees us. In a world where the technology just works, it's more important than ever that technology is implemented perfectly. It's not enough to just know how it works. It takes strategy, logistics, capacity, technical expertise, and an experienced workforce to deliver stellar installations. That's why, while you may not see us, you know we're always there, sometimes through the day, sometimes through the night. Our network of engineers throughout the UK and Europe delivers bespoke IT installations across hospitality and retail. From network infrastructure to IT and EPOS systems, the solutions we install are the backbone of our clients' operations. Our base in Milton Keynes is home to a head office of over 100 people, as well as our warehouse and state-of-the-art configuration center. Every stage of a new technology rollout is handled in-house by our dedicated team, backed up by outstanding accreditations. Our unique values underpin everything we do. Caring, craftsmanship, can-do attitude, comprehensive and customization. That's how we make our impact on the world and deliver first-class experiences to our end users. Whilst new technology may deliver more value for our customers, it's how we implement it that unlocks that value. And we do it the Celestra way, by delivering stellar installations.